Hey there, succulent lovers! Welcome back to the Succulents Box YouTube channel. Today, let's discuss a super important topic, growing succulents in full sun. While these tough little plants love soaking up the sun, it's crucial to know how to take care of them properly to avoid any damage and help them flourish. So, let's jump in and cover all the essentials you need to know for growing succulents in full sun. First off, full sun refers to areas that receive at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Direct sunlight can intensify the colors of the leaves and help some succulents to grow a bit faster. However, while many succulents absolutely love soaking up the sun, most succulents can't flourish under extreme temperatures and full sun exposure without extra care and attention. Here are the key reminders you need to consider before bringing your succulents outside for direct sunlight. The first thing to consider is the age and size of your succulent. Bigger succulents are usually tougher because their roots go deeper, helping them handle hot temperatures better. Those established roots really make a difference in harsh environments. However, younger and smaller succulents, like new plantings or fresh cuttings, need a lot more attention. These little guys are way more prone to sunburn and can quickly wither away if left in extreme heat for too long. So, make sure you're giving your young succulents some extra love and care until they're more settled and can handle the heat better. The second reminder is the type of succulent. Not all succulents are built to handle full sun or harsh outdoor conditions, so it's crucial to know what kind you're dealing with. Do a bit of homework before moving your succulents outside. For example, if you have an aeonium, keep in mind that it's a winter grower. This means it might struggle during the summer. On the flip side, cacti thrive in warmer temperatures and can handle extreme heat like champs. If you're looking for other options besides cacti, consider agaves, Senecio blue chalk sticks, and echeverias. These varieties do quite well in hot climates. Next, let's think about whether you want to plant your succulents in containers or directly in the ground. Planting succulents in the ground is generally the best way to grow them outdoors. However, if you prefer growing succulents in containers, be sure to monitor them closely and move them to a more shaded area if the weather becomes too intense. Succulents in containers can only tolerate heat for a short time, and their leaves can quickly dry out or burn if left in direct sunlight during high temperatures. Don't forget to use well-draining soil so the soil drains quickly and doesn't retain excess moisture. Now, this is the most important reminder. Always acclimate your succulents gradually. Start by placing your plants in a shaded area for a few hours each day, and gradually increase their exposure to direct sunlight over the course of several weeks. This slow introduction helps prevent sunburn and allows the succulents to adapt to the increased light levels without stress. Let's talk about watering. Succulents in full sun will dry out faster than those in partial shade, so it's important to adjust your watering schedule accordingly. Don't let your plants suffer from dehydration, but don't overwater. For succulents, overwatering is dangerous. If the soil remains consistently wet, your plant can develop root rot and mold issues. Monitor the weather and give your plant a bit more water during the intense hot days, but make sure the soil is completely dry before watering. Another reminder is to provide shade during intense heat. Even though your succulents have adapted to full sun, extremely high temperatures can still be harmful. During intense heat waves, you should provide some shade for your succulents, especially during the hottest part of the day. Use shade cloths, umbrellas, or move potted succulents to a slightly shaded area. Give them a little break from the scorching sun so they can stay healthy. The last thing to remember is to monitor your succulents for signs of stress. It's very important to keep an eye on your plants for any signs of sunburn, wilting, and shriveling. If you notice brown or white patches, drying, softening, or wilting leaves, move your succulents to a shaded area and adjust their care routine accordingly. Early detection and intervention can make a huge difference in keeping your succulents happy and healthy. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to growing succulents in full sun. With these tips, your succulents will be basking in the sun and thriving in no time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more succulent care tips and tricks. Drop any questions you have in the comments, and we'll see you next time. Happy gardening!
For more, you can find us at succulentsbox.com or on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest.